Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am going to do a bloom. I wanted to try these colors out because I want to do them on a canvas, a small canvas, but I wanted to try them out on a tile first. I am using Liquitex Basics Aqua Green and Copper. I am using FolkArt Extreme Glitter Gold, which I don't know how that's going to work with this. So it really doesn't have much of a base. It's just going to put gold on top of it, glitter. So I wanted to try it before I do it on a canvas. So, and I also have FolkArt Metallic, what is this? Bronze. Yeah, the bronze. So let's just try it and see how it works with our bloom technique. And I'm going to let it dry and then see if I like the result, then I'm going to do it on a canvas. Oh my goodness, I am making a mess. It's not going to last long if I keep tossing it around like that, now is it? Okay, let's pop my bubbles. So I think I will start with this copper. Put it down first. Now the bronze. Now this aqua green. All right, I'm gonna put this glitter stuff down. I've used this in like flip cups or ribbon pours and stuff like that, but I have not used it in a bloom technique. So now the topper. And blowing it out. There's a big bubble right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. There we go. I can already see that the glitter gold stuff shining through. That's really cool. Yeah, I think that's gonna work good. All right, well, I'm gonna do one more. Okay, there is our lacing so far. I'm gonna let it sit and come back up to the top for a few minutes. And I will be right back. All right, I think we are good to start tilting it now. Glitter is so sparkly. Bronze over here with the copper. That looks so pretty. I bet it would look pretty with just the bronze and the copper and the glitter stuff. I may have to try a tile with that. Do I have another tile? I bet I do somewhere. I had originally thought I wanted to do one with just the like gold and copper and stuff. Then I thought it didn't have enough contrast. So then I talked myself into adding the aqua. Okay, I went ahead and put some of the pillow paint on the next tile. So let's just try the, what is this? Copper. The copper and the bronze and that gold stuff. So I'm going to put this one down first. I'm putting this one down first because it's the one I put down first last time, and I really like how the bronze and the copper played together. So I'm going to try to do that again, but without the aqua. The aqua has been voted off the island. Okay. And this is that glitter, the gold glitter, FolkArt. And I really was not sure how I would like it, but I really love how it skims the surface. And the topper. All right, we've got multiple bubbles. All right. There's what we've got this time. I'm gonna let it sit and rise back up to the top. Actually, I know I probably shouldn't do this, but I'm going to put a little bit of topper right in there and blow again. Oh yeah, that was not a mistake. Look. Lots more lacing, that'll help, I think. All right, we're gonna let it rise to the top, and then we will stretch it. Okay, let's go ahead and stretch this out. I'm gonna go this way first. So I'm really not actually sure why I talked myself out of doing this in the first place. This is what I wanted to do. And then I added the aqua to it because I felt like it needed like something, some color, but it really doesn't. This is just really pretty, very natural looking. I don't know. Sometimes I have an idea and then I talk myself out of it, apparently. As far as I want to stretch it, just because I don't want to lose all this. Okay. going to stretch it back this direction and we will be done. Wow, 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 though. Loving that bronze with the copper. I think the bronze would look really good with gold, too. I'm going to go a little bit further, then come back. Okay, I think that's good. Now let's take it back to the middle. I bet it would look good with the chocolate on the bottom too. You know, the options are endless. You can try it so many different ways. All right, let me get the camera down and I will bring you in for a close-up. All right, here is the first one that we did with the bronze, the copper, and the aqua. It has stunning, oh, and the glitter. You can totally see the glitter. Even on camera. Stunning, stunning lacing. All right, and then here is the second one we did. Trying to get away from reflective lights, but it still has the glitter in it. Trying to catch it. So this just has the bronze, the copper, and then the white topper, and then glitter, the gold glitter. Still gorgeous lacing. I love the natural look of it without the extra color. Wow. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.